Here's a quick live account update. So far today has been fantastic. As you see, just over $2,000 in net profit. It was, 2270 or 2280 minus the commissions. You got the net profit. It's been, of course, most of the day today. This grid here has been created. Maximum drawdown, we had $2,900, as you see. But that doesn't mean that it's a loss. This is where, the system creates this grid of buys and sells. You see multiple buys, multiple sells, different lots. And then there's another system inside this grid that works. The system, the grid eventually would close once we go one direction. And it will be, as I see it here, it will close faster if it goes up. If it comes back down, it might take a little bit more time to close. But again, the system, the head or the brain that makes the money, it's built inside. It works on the vibration. So it basically, in a simple way, it basically compares the lots, the P&Ls, and takes profits. This setup here was chosen by this particular client. If I show you the entire history, just to show you how effective this system was. But again, you have to pay attention to how this happened and the way it's been achieved. We started this on the, what was 29th of, no, I'm sorry, on the 3rd of June, okay? And netted $17,000. Of course, we had some profit sharing, but I would say about $18,000, $19,000 net. We had some profit sharing. Now, that's not the story. The most of the profits came after the client decided to go to the next setting. He chose very slow, very low settings. He was averaging $100 to $200 a day, trading 3 hours a day only. That was it. And maybe 3 days or 4 days a week. That was it. Then what happened is that mid last week here from, I'll show you, from, I believe from Wednesday the 16th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 9 days or 8 days ago, 9 days ago, let's say, he decided to go full scale here from the 16th, I believe, of July, according to the full setups that we have. And in let's say 2 weeks, he averaged 15% return in 2 weeks. Okay, this is 2 weeks of profit. Okay, so we have this system is very versatile and very flexible. I'll show you. We have this aggressive system, aggressive setting here, which is designed to to show clients if they choose to. This is a very aggressive system. Okay, very aggressive setting. I'm sorry, here you can see it here, and we have about $30,000 in drawdowns now. Right? But this is a drawdown that might stay for a day or two. This is a $500,000 demo. It's designed, the settings are designed for somebody who want that kind of investment, kind of trading, right? But look at the money that the system made just today. Almost $5,000. On the other hand, this account has made $113,000 since May 20th, 2 months. Okay, so but this, I mean, we have a drawdown here. It doesn't mean that it's a loss. It means that when the market moves, up or down, I'm expecting it to come back down. It will close the grid. It's basically we have a ton of buys here and a ton of shorts here, longs and shorts. And there's always the heaviest drawdown will be right in the middle. So it goes up It will close this because once we get this to zero, this whole grid, or zero plus $50 or $100, the whole grid closes. And meanwhile, even if it doesn't close, I know it's annoying to stay like this. Even if it doesn't close, the head inside it, or the brain that makes money inside it, still compares and closes trades with profits. Okay, let me show you some other settings. There's this one here that is kind of a moderate settings, not very aggressive, and you see the profit about $2,600 so far today, just today. A drawdown about $2,800. Again, it has to create this grid in order to work, right? But this one, if I go to the entire history, this is a demo we share with the clients to choose if they want to. It made $70,000 since June 12th, a month and a half. Okay, let me go back to today. And there you have it. Depends on the clients. Some clients will have a $200,000 account if they are investors, and they will choose these settings for the $100,000. Just, they make probably feel safer and less drawdowns, etc. This is a very flexible and versatile system. Other than that, any questions, any concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me.